How to edit videos in Photos app on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Photos app, then go to Albums, Videos, and tap on the video you want to edit. Once it's open, tap Edit in the top right corner. Step 2. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline. Drag the yellow sliders to choose the part of the video you want to keep. Tap Done. Save videos as new clip so your original stays safe. Step 3. Swipe left under the video preview to find tools like filters, brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can tweak exposed highlights, shadows, and even sharpen the footage to make it pop. Step 4. Tap the crop icon to rotate, flip, or straighten your video. You can also crop it to a specific frame size, like square, 16:9, or 4:3, perfect for social media. Step 5. If you're editing a slow-mo video, you'll see additional controls to adjust where the slow motion starts and ends. Just drag the lines in the timeline to fine-tune it. And that's it.